Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Ninja Foodi breakfast. Alright guys, I'm starting out with my Ninja Foodi. I have it set on saute high and it's hot. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of olive oil into the pan. Probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Now I have 1 onion and 1 green bell pepper I diced up and put in this. The recipe calls for onion and mushroom. But as everybody knows by now, Eric doesn't like mushrooms, so I'm substituting green pepper instead. I'm going to get them down into the Foodi. Give that a quick stir. Now I have a pound of sausage here, ground sausage. I'm going to go ahead and add that in there. Okay, just going to scrape it all out of here, guys. All down in there. Now I'm going to fry this for a few minutes till the vegetables are tender and the sausage is brown. And this particular sausage I got at Aldi's, this doesn't put off any grease, so I'm not going to have to worry about draining it. But if you use a greasy sausage, make sure you drain off the grease after you're done browning it. Alright guys, now that my onions, peppers, and sausage sauteed and the sausage is browned up, I'm going to add in a half a can of cream of mushroom soup. Now this here Eric doesn't mind. It's the whole fresh mushrooms that he minds. I'm just going to give that a quick stir. Now I have a dozen of eggs here I scrambled. We're going to add them in. Give that a quick stir. And guys, this is a real easy and tasty recipe. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of garlic salt. Stir that down in there. I'm just going to break up that little clump of garlic salt. That way there's somebody who doesn't bite into that piece and get a shock of their life. Then I'm going to add in a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. It's looking good, guys. Stir that in. Okay, now I'm going to close down my lid. I'm going to turn on my air crisp setting, and I'm going to set this at 390, the default setting, for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, I'm going to go in and give that a stir, and I'm going to give it 5 more minutes. You want to make sure that your eggs are done. Guys, this actually took 15 minutes to cook because I upped the recipe. After every 5 minutes of when I stirred it, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and I added some more cheddar cheese to this and some green onion. Let me get in here and try this. Get some sausage and some egg. That's really good, guys. Load it with flavor. You get the sausage, the egg, get the creaminess from the cream and mushroom soup. You have that extra cheese on there. Guys, that's really good. Alright, there you have it. Ninja Foodi breakfast. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.